Hello everyone. So how we can buy PAVIA token on Cardano chain? So you have to navigate to this. You have to open up this Muesliswap. This is one of the decentralized exchange on Cardano chain, and you'll see this PAVIA token listed here. So what you have to do is you have to click on connect wallet. So it supports three wallets. Nami, Gero, and CC Vault wallet. So for this illustration, we'll be using Nami wallet. So I've already installed my Nami wallet here, and now you have to make sure that there is some balance. So I'll be adding some. I'll be transferring some ADA tokens to my wallet. So for that, I need you have to go to your Nami wallet and click on receive. This would be your wallet address. Copy it and then you send your Cardanos to this address. So for this demonstration, I've transferred a few ADA to my Nami wallet, and the way this Muesliswap works is that you have to buy the tokens in the fixed lot size. So here somebody is trying to sell their 1000 PAVIA token at this 0.14 ADA, and totally you will be paying 140 ADA tokens. So for demonstration, I'll be buying 500 PAVIA token at this, and I'll be paying 72.5 ADA plus some network fee and some exchange fee. So that these are the sets. I'll be getting 500 PAVIA token. This is the amount that I'll be paying plus some exchange fee, and plus there would be some network fee on top of it. So enter your password. And the order was successfully placed to buy this PAVIA token. Okay, and then I can go here in my order. So order has been opened, buying PAVIA. So my orders here are still open. I have placed two orders. Nobody has sold me their PAVIA tokens yet. But once somebody sells me these tokens, the tokens will appear in my Nami wallet. Yep. Thank you.